Welcome to our guide for crafting radiant serenity in your north-facing living room. In this concise journey, we'll uncover ways to maximize your space's natural light and embrace a holistic approach to design. Understanding the light conditions in your north-facing room is crucial because it directly affects your decorating choices. North-facing rooms receive soft, indirect light throughout the day. Opting for a light color scheme is essential in north-facing rooms because it helps brighten the space. Light colors such as beige, light gray, and soft pastels reflect what little light is available, creating a sense of brightness and openness. Opt for light-colored flooring to brighten and open up your north-facing room. This choice complements contemporary, Scandinavian, or minimalist styles. Coordinate your flooring with your sofa's color for a harmonious look. This works well in traditional or classic design styles. Consider dark flooring for a striking contrast and cozy feel in your north-facing space. It's ideal for traditional or rustic interiors. Mirrors and decor with reflective surfaces serve to amplify the limited natural light. Opt for larger mirrors positioned across from windows or light sources to disperse light. Incorporate furniture and decor with reflective surfaces like glass or metal, such as mirrored coffee tables or glass, small mirror trays, frames, or candle holders to scatter and amplify light. Adequate artificial lighting is crucial because north-facing rooms lack direct sunlight. Floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces offer layered lighting, ensuring that the room remains well lit and welcoming. In a north-facing room, choosing the right window coverings is crucial. Sheer curtains serve a dual purpose by allowing ample light while preserving your privacy. Unlike heavy drapes that can darken the room, sheer curtains strike the perfect balance, ensuring your room feels open and inviting. While a light color palette is essential, it's also important to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Opt for light-colored rugs adorned with patterns or textures to infuse warmth and depth into the space, creating visual intrigue. These rugs also function as anchors, clearly defining different zones within the room. The layout of your furniture is key to maximizing comfort and conversation. Position seating closer to artificial light sources, such as floor lamps, to optimize well-lit areas for comfort and interaction. Decorate your space with personal touches that reflect your style and add character. Artwork, cushions, throws, and decorative items can create a more inviting and personalized atmosphere. This step ensures that the room remains uncluttered and feels open, maintaining a sense of space and serenity. Opt for low-light plants that flourish in shadier conditions to add a touch of nature, freshness, and vibrancy. This step rejuvenates your room, forging a harmonious and invigorating atmosphere. By following these detailed steps, you can transform your north-facing living room into a well-lit, comfortable, and inviting space that takes full advantage of the limited